Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Today we would like to present final project life cycle for subject manufacturing sustainability. Before we proceed, let me introduce my name and our group member. My name is Muhammad Amir Syafiq bin Muhammad Razali and our group member are Wan Muhammad Farhan bin Wan Ruzifa, Muhammad Arif Farhan bin Razali, Chai Wai Kit and Choi Yek Guan.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Arif Farhan bin Razali, and today I would like to present about my group project, which is about manufacturing sustainability. Today, most of the pollution are come from the industrial pollution. The manufacturing waste material and or substance are generated during the manufacturing process are caused to the environmental pollution. The growing awareness of the link between goods and environmental concerns has increased interest in this topic during the past several decades. But today, the life cycle assessment is well established and widely accepted as a tool for determining a product's environmental profile. With the implementation of design for environmental and life cycle, our group can produce this product without decreasing its environmental performance. Okay, next, I would like to discuss about the objective of our project. Is the first, we are able to apply the life cycle for motorcycle manufacturing process, and second, we are able to establish design for environmental concept and method. The third, we also are able to conserving the environmental from the harmful manufacturing process, and the fourth is to create and redesign process to existing product without affect its functionality.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Farhan bin Muhammad Uzifa. Today I will present the literature review. So we got the first one, which is green of manufacturing sustainability. Green manufacturing is increasingly evolving as the alternative to sustained manufacturing that has the potential to solve more of the problems facing the world today. From conceptual design to disposal, green manufacturing spans the entire product life cycle, harmless way, having little or minimal environmental impact by efficient resource usage and waste and pollution reduction. The industry must slowly implement CSR, which stands for reuse, reduce, recycle, redesign, remanufacturing, and recover. Next, we go the second part is design for environment. Manufacturing industry redesign a product based on few principles of sustainability such as sustainable design, eco design, green product innovation, life cycle, and design for environment (DFE). Although these principles might be different in terms of definition, but they still use the same overlapping considerations such as design for disassembly, removal of toxin, and use of life cycle assessment (LCA). Environment factors are incorporated into the product design and the end product process at DFE. Firms utilize DFE method to improve product environment performance while reducing costs, increasing competitive advantage, and developing innovation. The DFE process can involve designing products that can use environmental friendly material, fewer resource, and less packaging. DFE can also focus on designing products that are more easily recycled, reused, or upgraded, so that the goal of DFE are to reduce or eliminate waste, reducing energy consumption, and maximize the use of recovered material throughout the product life cycle. That's all.
Good afternoon to Doctor and my friends. My name is Chai Wai Kit. So I would like to present the next part, which is methodology. For the first step is design the product. The second step is identify the waste. And the third step are product life cycle analysis, eco-web design, eco-indicator analysis. So we carry on these three analyses at the same time. After that, we're doing the data interpretation. After that, we try to improve the product and redesign the product. And the next step is discussion. After that, we do the conclusion. So here is the life cycle sketching diagram of the product. The first one is copper, the second one is steel, the third one is metal, the fourth one is aluminum alloy, and the fifth one is plastic, and the last one is aluminum. So here are 6 life cycle of the material. The next one is the eco design web. So from here we can see the material selection, product use, and end of life is quite low, which is not considered as worse, but we can improve that since it only on the light green color. So the right one is the eco design web after redesign. From here we can see for the material selection, we already reduced one material, which is metal. We do so to reduce the weight and reduce the manufacturing process of the final product. And below that, we can see from the product use, we successfully to reduce the weight of the product from 16.676 to 15.302 ton kilometer. We not just reduce the transportation, we already reduce the use of fuel, which is green manufacturing. And for the end of life, we add one more feature, which is part can be used by other motorcycle. For example, the basket of the motorcycle can use on other motorcycle to reduce the waste. Here is our process tree or motorcycle. We have 6 material, and all of the material are undergo the different process. And after that, the packaging can be recycled or disposal. This is the process tree of motorcycle after redesign. From the process tree, we know that we already reduced one material, which is metal, and we also reduced the manufacturing process. After we reduce the manufacturing process, we can reduce the emission or the waste of material.
Eco Indicator 99 is a life cycle impact assessment tool that helps designers to make an environmental assessment of a product by calculating eco indicator score for material and process uses. The resulting score provides an indication of area for product. It offers a way to measure various environmental impact and show in final result in single score. In this two table, the weight of material reduced from 83.38 kg to 76.51 kg. Due to the changes of weight and material, the transportation score also changed from 2201 to 2090. After the motorcycle was redesigned, the eco indicator grand total score changing from 2600.4 to 1584. Based on the result on product life cycle eco design with eco indicator, the motorcycle need to be redesigned. In the redesign process, raw material used initially will be reanalyzed due to their impact on functionality of product. Otherwise, we replace steel with aluminum because its manufacturing process through forging. For other modification is reduce the weight of piston and chain cover by redesign its structure. The transportation use also benefit from the weight reduction.
For the conclusion, we can conclude that environmental design one of the important elements required in design stage. That means the aim is to design and develop motorcycle parts that effect of the economy, society and green environment. When material can be recycled and disposed, costs are reduced, society and economy will be improved. That's all. Thank you.